Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing is not really an update, but just kind of a comment that kind of a bummer of a day with the afternoon, because overall, the price has been doing a great job of holding up. So it got the breakout of that red line that I talked about on Thursday, was doing a fantastic job of staying up above it. And then all of a sudden the price dropped below it, and then the price closed below it. Now the good news is that the price is very close to potentially, doing battle with it again. Now, does that mean that it's for sure going to go back up above it? Absolutely not. There's no such thing as a guarantee. My point is, it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that, yeah, it looks like there's a very real chance that the price could get back up above this area right there to $1.94. But nonetheless, anyway, look at it, because the price still closed or managed to close below that level, you still got to consider that as an initial area of resistance. So $1.94, near-term level, but if that level can be broken, then the next key overall level to watch would be up around the $2 mark. So those would be the two areas. I would definitely think that this level has been weakened up quite a bit. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and make that a little skinnier to represent that. Yeah, this line, sure, it is still a level of resistance, but given, like I said, the price spent so much time up above it, in my mind, it's probably been weakened up quite a bit. Still doesn't mean it's a for sure, to get back up above it, but I don't think the price would have to bring that much, firepower to break up through it. So those would be the levels from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still have this level down here at $1.83, and then you have the overarching level, the very famous, the very followed 50-period moving average, which on my chart denoted right there by that purple line. So all in all, a little bit of a disappointing day because the price ultimately fell back below that level that had been done such a good job of staying up above. But the trend still remains fully in the the bulls' favor. So let's see what happens next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.